Hi, this is Ken with WTI, and this is the Pat McGrath MatteTrance lipstick in Fever Dream color. It's a matte finish, but it's at the same time creamy and lightweight texture. I really like that it glides smoothly into my lips when I'm applying it. It doesn't feel dry or uncomfortable, and because it's really high pigmented, a little bit goes a long way. I love to use it also as a blush because it has really good quality and good pigmentation. And it doesn't feel sticky. It blends really beautiful with the skin. It doesn't leave this thick layer. And I also like to apply it as a base for my eyeshadows. And then I apply my powder eyeshadows. It doesn't move. It stays in place. And that's why this is one of my favorite lipstick. And that's my point of view.